Hello everybody, Victoria Veluz here. Today I will show you my 5 main drawing tools that I use mostly every day. Here we go. First up is the HB 0.5 mechanical pencil. I love this pencil. It's what I use to start off any drawing, especially for the darks. You can definitely get this on Amazon. I will provide links in the description box, so check it out. Next up is my H grade pencil. I mostly use this pencil for the very light tones, lighter grays, and whenever I'm doing light fur, it's awesome. You don't have to press too hard, and it's a pretty even tone. I also use this pencil to blend between areas, as you see here. Next up is one of my favorite erasers. It's called the Tombow Mono Zero eraser. It's cool because it's like a mechanical pencil and you just click to access it, like so. And what I love about this is you can get in really tight areas whenever you want to pull something out, get it really white, and it's very accurate. And if you wanted to, you can get that point really sharp to get even more detail. All right, number 4 is my heavy-duty 6B pencil. Again, I will add links so you can access them. You can buy them off of Amazon. And what I love about this pencil is you can get really dark. I usually use this pencil as my last stage in detailing. I use it to pop out the lights and create that extra layer of depth that you need to render that form. All right, last but not least is number 5. It is an HB 0.2 Orenz mechanical pencil. I love this pencil. It's new in my arsenal and it's so small, it's so tiny. I can get so much detail. I cannot wait to render so many drawings for you guys using this pencil. Again, the link is in the description box, so please check it out. It is amazing. You will not be disappointed. I mean, look at that. So cool. And that is it, guys, for now. So please subscribe to my channel. And also ring that bell and get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Be blessed. See you soon.